A quick explanation of what I'm about to do on the mill. This is the fork which I'm about to round over the ends. This is the side view, of course. And rather than do the whole depth, this only needs to go down about 7.5. Well, I'll actually go down about 8 mil. Round over that end, flip it over and do the same on the other side. Down the bottom end here, slightly different. I'm going to have to come in from one side and go down 17.5, well, I'll go down 18 mil and round over that bit, and then I can just hack the rest out willy-nilly. Similarly with the other piece, I'm only going to have to go down again 7.5, but I'll go down 8 from either side. That way I won't have to put the whole mill down for the whole 25 mil depth, and make a bit of a hoolie of it, I dare say. So I'll take the paper away and we can see how we get on. And I've switched on the angel eyes to get a bit more light around the subject, and I'm having a bit of trouble with the Z-axis DRO scale. I think it needs cleaning, as I wind the table up and down, the display is sticking. So I'll have to investigate, but for the moment I don't need the DRO scale in the Z-axis for this operation, so I'll finish these off before I investigate that further. I'm zeroed up X and Y on the centre of the hole. I'm going to come out to an arbitrary amount, and why do I always turn that the wrong way? I'm going to come down on the quill scale. What did I say? 8 mil, didn't I? That's just a shade over 8. Lock that. Take a cut. Well, I will if I advance it enough. Same vibration as we had before. I've tried tightening up the pinion on the rotary table, but to no avail. I really ought to bite the bullet and get the better table out, but I'm not going to. another 2 mil, perhaps a bit more to go. I'll bring you back when I've finished. So there we are, hope you can see that fairly closely. I'll now reverse this on the rotary table and do the same the other end. As you can see, I've finished off the rounding over and only partially done this end. Where I've marked and shaded, this is where the metal is to be removed, so save myself a bit of mucking around with the rounding over, but once they've been finished off and given a bit of a polish, they won't look too bad. There's the base of the pivot link, rounded over. I went down about just a little over halfway and then nibbled my way down in stages and did it all in one setting. That's got to be cut off to 26 mil long, which comes to about there. You can now see why I left it a bit longer, so I could get the hole in to hold it. There we are, that needs tidying up as well. If I had a linisher or something like that, a flatbed sander, I'd do it on that, but I don't have one. So there we are. I'll clean that up with emery before I cut out the middle bit. I'm afraid I've had to stop the video rather abruptly at this point, because I seem to have managed to lose all the subsequent video. However, if you move on to the next part, you'll see the finished parts in the centre of the initial shot. I hope this hasn't spoiled the enjoyment of the whole series. So if you have been, thanks for watching. Catch you next time. Bye.